This is the error code in Toshiba VFD OC1P and could be OC1, OC2P, 3P, or error code could be 0025, 0026, 0027. This is the ground fault trip arm overcurrent at the startup overheat. It means there is a current leakage from output cable or output from the VFD. So need to check output terminal and that is not connected anywhere to earth, and need to check that cable from VFD output to the motor, and wherever it is it could be connected to the earth. Okay, so basically this occurs when earth is leakaged, any output voltage is connected to the earth. Okay, and could be the circuit element is defective, might, and could be the terminal of the VFD, output terminal of the VFD, where you are connecting the cables, that also could be connected to the body earth. So that's why also it could occur, and these alarms can come. And need to check OH strip information. That could be the 11 to 18 kilowatt, 400 volt. So depends on the model. So need to connect the cable, check the cables, check the connectors, check it is not connected on to the ground, is not connected to the any output wire, or if these all problems are okay and you did not find anything, so there could be the cause short circuit inside of the VFD power board. This also could be this problem could be into the power board, or it could be the CT, current transformer, inside of the VFD, that is giving the wrong value to the controller, to control card. So these also could be the reason for this. So you need to check all these things. Check cable, output cable from VFD output to till to the motor earthing, winding is not short, and these all things if you will check, so these problems will be resolved. If still your problem is not resolved, so you can write a mail to us, which is given here. And if you want to purchase new VFD, then also you can write here. And if you want to have one complete PDF for the training of VFD, with that you can learn each and everything about the VFD, and it will be very helpful, and you can understand what is the VFD, how it work, how to resolve the problem of this VFD. With that PDF you can get each and everything, and you can resolve your all the problems, or you can write mail.